Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Corinne Cooks. Today I'm making a dish called Naseddu alla Palermitana, which is a baked fish dish from Palermo. It's pretty simple, and I've actually made swordfish, or as in Sicilian, pesce spada alla Palermitana before, which was a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same concept. These are all the ingredients for the Naseddu alla Palermitana. Normally you use a whole fish, but all I could find in my local grocery store are these steaks, so I think it'll work just as well. The first step is to marinate the fish in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and actually one recipe also suggested using the lemon juice for the marinade as well. But first I'm going to try to remove some of the bones that were left in these steaks. I cut the biggest bones out of the fish, and now it's time to do the marinade with olive oil. Only one recipe gave an amount for the olive oil, which is 6 tablespoons, so I'm going to see how much that is, but I'm assuming it's not going to be enough, so I'll probably add more. I ended up putting in about 10 to 15 tablespoons of olive oil. I kind of lost count. And now I'm just putting in salt and pepper. And I am going to put in some of the lemon juice. And then obviously I'll save some lemon juice for when it's done cooking. Now just let it sit for 1 to 3 hours. So I'm preheating the oven to 400 degrees. So in the meantime, I'm going to heat the capers, anchovies, and rosemary in the pan, but just very slightly, just to be able to chop all the pieces up with the spoon and get it to be like a little bit of a sauce. Also, I'm using 4 anchovies, and I don't know why it called for only 5 capers, but I'm just going with it. So it's starting to become a little bit of a sauce, as you can see. Oh, and the oven is ready. The next step is to brush some of the melted anchovy sauce on top of each piece of HAKE, and then I'm going to bread the entire thing with the breadcrumbs. Now all the pieces are ready to be breaded and placed back in the pan with some of the marinade oil. It's time to put this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. The recipes kind of gave different amounts, so I'm just going to keep checking it to see when it's ready. Just took the fish out of the oven, and I think it's looking pretty ready. Hopefully it's not undercooked or overcooked. The last step is just to squeeze some lemon juice on top of all the fish. And I think one of the recipes also said a drizzle of olive oil. So it's officially done, and this is what it looks like. Actually, none of the recipes said to put an additional drizzle of olive oil, so I just squeezed the lemon onto it. And now it's time to dig in. It looks so soft. It's so creamy and flavorful. Like, it just falls apart. I can barely even like fork it. I think there's some bones, like little bones that are still left in there. But yeah, the rosemary flavor is like really strong, but not too strong. I just do taste a lot of the lemon and the rosemary. So yeah, I definitely cooked this perfectly. Not gonna lie about that. And I definitely recommend this if you're looking for just an easy fish dish to make. It's really simple, and because it just like highlights the flavors of the fish and like the other fresh ingredients, it's still really flavorful. So thank you for joining me in this adventure making Naseddu alla Palermitana, also known as Palermitan HAKE. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.